Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm going to show you how to pan fry your salmon fillet. You can use this method for any types of fish. If you ever had trouble getting that crispy skin, I know I've been there too. I feel the struggle, it's real. I'm going to try to demonstrate to you today how to achieve a moist salmon fillet and still have that awesome crispy skin. I have approximately 800 grams of salmon fillet, beautiful salmon fillet. We're going to season it first, and I'm going through a very basic seasoning today because my objective is to show you how to fry your actual salmon fillet. First, some salt. If you need to use your fingers and rub it in, do that. Next, some cracked black pepper. So very simple seasoning on the skin side. I'm going to flip it over and continue to season. First some salt, followed by some cracked black pepper. And it's very simple seasoning. I'm also going to do a sauce, so I don't want it to be overpowering. Next, a sprinkle of cayenne pepper. And if you don't have any cayenne pepper, you can just use some chili powder or even paprika. And finally, some fresh lemon juice. I've just taken half a lemon and just a slight squeeze. And we can just leave our salmon aside for a few seconds while we get our pan hot. I'm adding some avocado oil. You can use olive oil as well. It's really important now to ensure that your oil is hot. If you don't, your salmon is going to stick. So only once your oil is hot, add your salmon skin side down and away from you. Once you've added your salmon, don't touch it. You have to leave it alone. Moving it will interfere with the skin and you haven't given it enough time to sear in the oil. So we have to just be patient for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. I usually wait about 4 minutes before I flip it onto the other side. And as you are waiting, you will start to notice the color change from the skin upwards. After approximately 4 minutes, you are now ready to turn your salmon fillet over. Ensure that you scoop your fillet from directly below the skin so that you don't break your skin at all, and then with a swift flip, turn it over. You can then fry your salmon for a further 2 minutes on the other side. And using this technique and the approximate timing ensures that your actual fillet is super moist and you still have a beautiful crispy skin. So while my salmon is resting, I'm now going to show you how I make my quick sauce using the oils already in your pan. There's my salmon and it's going to rest aside. I will also finish frying up the rest of my salmon fillets and I will show you now how I make my fish sauce. I've just added soy sauce, a low sodium soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons, followed by some hoisin sauce, another 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Apologies if you can't see it very clearly. I didn't realize it was out of focus when we were videoing. Next, I am adding 2 tablespoons of Sriracha Sauce. And if you don't have hoisin sauce or any other of the sauces I'm using, you can go ahead and just use soy sauce, some honey or maple syrup, and a touch of chili sauce, and that's all you need. And finally, to sweeten up your sauce slightly and balance all of those delicious flavors, switch off your heat so it cools slightly, and then you can add some honey. I'm adding approximately 1 tablespoon of honey. You can use maple syrup as well, or any other sugar, even brown sugar. If you decide to use sugar or any other sweetener, then ensure that your heat is on low to allow it to dissolve. My sauce is now ready. I will fill up my gravy bowl, and using the rest of the sauce that's in the pan already, I will now fry my fresh asparagus. You can use any veggies of your choice and give it a quick fry up in this residue. First, I'm adding half a teaspoon of butter. You can then proceed to add your veggies. I'm now adding my asparagus, and once you've added your veggies, you can just season slightly with a little bit of salt and pepper. And if you are using asparagus, it only needs about 5 minutes tops. And in this way, it also keeps its crunch. And you need to just toss it around for those few minutes. So this is a very easy way of incorporating all of the similar flavors that's in your salmon and in your sauce, and now also in your veggies, but it is a very subtle taste on your veggies. And if you ever want some more flavor, you can just drizzle some extra sauce as you please. My veggies are now ready, and I'm going to proceed to plate up. And here's my moist, delicious salmon with a drizzle of sauce, as well as my lemon wedges and my pan-fried asparagus. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, let me know. And remember, you are not limited to the type of fish you are using. You can use this method for almost any type of fish. I use it for barracuda. I even use it for my masala fried fish. The result is the same. Just ensure your oil is hot before you start frying. And when you are ready to add your fish, make sure that you position it properly in your pan so it can accommodate the rest of your fish, and you don't need to move it. I will also be uploading a salmon recipe using an air fryer. If that interests you, please look out for the video. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's kitchen. I am Selena.